Yo, big and bad. We all need to come together. That's what I say. And try to see if we can cool down the back of killing and I say criminals out there. We know me are not the law. That's what I say. But me is a Jamaican citizen. And a lot of people will have YouTube channel are foreign. Like Soulflow, where I try style with things. How they make a video and a chat about say if we really care about Jamaica, we will release one of that. And right now we are go back right down in the slavery. Hey, Soulflow no rate no Jamaican thing. I tell you that You must style in the most wickedest way. So me I say. Yeah. But Jamaicans, we can show the world say we is better than that. All we have to do, criminals, put on the gun, go find something to do Rasta. So me I say, yeah man, me I beg you now. Because I know a family too, I know a loved one too. So me I say, I'm sure no, only not go want the next man kill no family and the loved ones. Criminals. It will get wicked and wickeder. Time I get the system happen our way to kill no one another. Come on man. I'm go find something on the brother. You know so me get up and find something on the every day. I don't have time to waste I go see some people chop people every day and fight people every day and free people and say you're pussy and you're informer. You see them type of people, them not have nothing on the fire. So me I say, them bad mind from the day they come out of them mother vagina. So me I say, straight. Yeah man, even though them put on them clothes and go to church, them bad mind, them could have put it like money. From them in them league there. Yeah man, them not good for money man. I tell you that man. Some of them same people are help. For the killing go on, it's what me I say in this country. You see me? And even the man that behind the weapon, him no want no killing still about the system of him away. Yeah, him do that. You see me? And all the system is hard and poor people still. You see me? So, you know a man will rise him gun and go kill, but it's not really right because the Bible says thou shalt not kill. You see what me I say? Yeah, so criminals, put on the gun man. And see. People can make the country a better place. That's what I say. Because we have a youth them, I know who know upon the youth out there too. That's what I say. Yes, better. You see me I say. Remember the Bible says if you live by the gun, you die by the gun. Not necessarily it's a gun, It says if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. So criminals, me I beg on them. Me know me I know the law and nothing at all. But me that decent Jamaican citizen. That's what I say. We want peace and love in our country. You see me? Nobody make the likes of like Soulflow to come style with another race of people come style with. You see what I say? Straight. You beg on a criminal, put on the gun, find something to do man. You know I don't want to live long and get old for you. You know that. And we can't make some little people have a parent to kill people when I violate and do nothing, Looking on yourself, man. Really, you never think and check and kneel and pray to God yet. Come on, criminal. No, you can't do better than that, No.
I don't give a damn, man. One Tanya man. No, me say I don't give a damn. If you want to be like a man.